Click on search bar and type here Task Manager. After that, click here to open it. Select Run as Administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select File, click on Run New Task, and from here click on Browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on search bar and then type here Registry Editor. Then click here to open it. Select as. Now on this window, expand HK local machine, then expand soft system folder, then control set 001, expand services folder, then just scroll down and click on NDU folder. On the right side, right click on start, select modify and the change value data as to 4. Then click on OK. Once done, close this window. Then open services. On this window, you need to just scroll down and search for system main. Right click on it, select properties and set startup type as disable. Click on apply. Then click on stop and then OK. Now open Task Manager, then select startup, then go to status and we need to disable the running applications. Now close this window. Again go to search bar and type settings, then click here to open it. Go to apps, then apps and features. Scroll down and click on these 3 dots to uninstall the unwanted applications those are running on our machine. So we can uninstall some of Once done, close this window. Again go to search bar and open disk cleanup. then select the drive you want to clean up and then click on OK. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, click on OK and select delete files. Now go to search bar, type cmd run as an administrator, select as. On this window simply type sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close the command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.